Hey everyone, get ready to elevate your comfort food game. Today, we're diving into something truly special. Chili stuffed cornbread. It's warm, it's savory, and it's absolutely bursting with flavor. Imagine golden, fluffy cornbread with a surprise inside. This isn't just cornbread, it's a meal in itself. Perfect for a cozy night in, a family dinner, or even a potluck showstopper. It's surprisingly simple to make, even for beginners. The magic happens when we stuff our cornbread with hearty, flavorful chili. You can use your favorite homemade recipe or even a quality canned chili for a super quick shortcut. Every bite is a delightful combination of sweet and savory. You'll be amazed how easily this comes together. Just prepare your cornbread batter, spoon in some chili, top with more batter, and bake until golden. The aroma alone will have everyone gathering in the kitchen. So, are you ready to bake up some pure joy? This chili stuffed cornbread is guaranteed to become a new family favorite. Give it a try this week and prepare for rave reviews.